Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimath Research Company, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Excel SumIf function. So here you can see I have some data and then I have some information related to those data. So here for example, I want to sum this information if they are equal to for example hydrometry, or I want to sum this data if they are not equal to hydrometry, and I want to put a numeric criteria. For example, I want to sum this data if they are bigger than 20. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. First of all, the equal to. So I will put an equal, then I write SumIf. I select that. Then it says select your range. So this is the range of your criteria. Don't forget that. I will select my criteria range. I then put a comma, and then it says define your criteria. So for equal, you just need a double quotation. You don't need any equal sign. You don't need that. You just need to write your information that you want to sum the data based on that. Please consider the dictation, and then I close the quotation, and then I select my values range. Okay, I'm sorry, I screwed up. Okay, I put the comma, and then I select my values range. I close the parentheses, and let's see, here is the mistake. And that's it. Okay, now I want to sum if these data are not equal to, for example, hydrometry. Okay, again, SumIf, the range criteria, which is here, double quotation, this mark and this mark right after that, and writing the information. So then I put another comma, and I select my, I'm sorry again, and I define my values range. I close the parentheses, and you can see that it works. Okay, another example I want to give here is SumIf this range of data is double quotation bigger than, for example, 20. I close the quotation, and I close the parentheses, and you can see that if they are bigger than 20, the sum of them is 110. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agrimath channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.